Welcome to the Avery review. If you have not done so already, subscribe to the channel. You're watching 10 genius life hacks you need to try to supercharge your life. Number 1. Quick ripening. Place unripe fruits in a paper bag with a banana. Ethylene gas speeds up the ripening process. Number 2. Freeze coffee for iced coffee. Freeze leftover coffee in ice cube trays for an instant iced coffee without dilution. Number 3. Key finder. Attach a colorful balloon or material to your luggage to easily spot it at the airport baggage claim. Number 4. Candle for stubborn zippers. Glide a candle's wax along a stubborn zipper to make it slide smoothly. Number 5. Plastic wrap on toiletries. Prevent leaks in your toiletries by placing plastic wrap under the caps before sealing. Number 6. Eggshell fertilizer. Crush eggshells and sprinkle them in your garden to provide calcium and deter pests. Number 7. Natural odor. Eliminator. Combat shoe odor by placing dry tea bags inside shoes. They absorb moisture and leave them smelling fresh. Number 8. Clicking the subscribe button here won't cost you a dime. It's like finding free money in your couch cushions. Number 9. Supercharge Wi-Fi. Elevate your router by placing it on a shelf or table. It helps distribute signals more evenly, improving Wi-Fi coverage. Number 10. If you hit the like button on this channel, you'll instantly level up your coolness factor. For more tips and hacks, subscribe to the Avery Review. See you in the next video.